Hello, my beautiful people. It's your guy here. It's Anas Colonna. Welcome back to this amazing YouTube channel. It's been a while since I uploaded a video here. So today I'm here with a friend. We're going to share some 2-3 ideas on drugs, the effects, and how we can overcome these effects and do away with drugs. So I'll handle him this mic to introduce himself and take us through a little bit.
Thank you Joshua. Vijana wacha mihadarati, that's the theme. Hiyo ndio story tunabonga leo. Na vijana pale nje sijiwest. Ukweli ni kuwa drugs will kill you, drugs will mess you up. So as the host has said here, hiyo ndio story tunabonga leo. Ni nini mnataka kujua exactly kuhusu mimi? Because as I can say, nime experience mihadarati and the effect. I'm a victim hapa.
So naweza kuuliza ni kitu gani yenye unaweza sema ina influence msee hadi aseme maybe nikiingia kwa drugs itafanya nisahau kitu fulani, ama ni kitu gani influence msee sana hadi aingie kwa drugs?
True. Unapata kuna reasons. There are these triggers zinakupush to drugs. For example, many people wanasema they have stress. But for me, I think the number one factor in to push people into drugs is being idle. Once you are idle, you don't have any projects you are doing, you find yourself drinking alcohol. Yeah. Not just, you see, alcohol is not bad, my friend. It is the abuse of drugs. Drugs are not bad. It is abuse or misuse of these drugs that causes problems to the youth. So I can say the number one factor that is pushing people into drugs is being idle and not having something to do.
Na unaweza ambia youth bana hapa nje aje drug ni solution ama?
Mayouth najua huku nje mayouth uko kwa drugs mbaya. That's why we are doing this podcast here. We are talking to the youth. My friend, hey, I just want the youth to know that drugs are dangerous. Number one, the first danger of drugs is addiction. Once you have taken drugs today, you will want to take them again and again and again. So addiction number one is a very bad thing. Once you are addicted to drugs, you cannot do without them.
No. Now since that tumesema wewe mwenyewe umekuwa victim kwa drugs, ni kitu gani ili kupush ukasema acha niingie kwa drugs? Ndo in relief ama nini likupush kabisa ukasema lazima niingie tu kwa drugs ndo nisahau stuff, ama nini likuinfluence?
Okay, thank you, good question. You see what happened, na mimi ilikuwa hivi. Nilikuwa free, and once I was free, I used to go and hang out with other people. Peer pressure. So right now, I have a couple of months, I'm clean. So I'm not afraid to share. I'm not afraid to tell you these people that I was on banging. I was a bang smoker. But in the process, sikuwa najua ile bangi ilikuwa inaniumiza. Mimi nilikuwa nafikiria ile bangi inanisaidia. But I became addicted na nikajipata rehab. Nipelekwa rehab, so pale rehab nikapata education kidogo ya how to abstain, and now I'm clean. I can say I'm weeks clean. And the answer is to not be idle. I decided to take a course program back in college. Right now I'm back in college taking a program. Ile idolatry nilikuwa nayo sahi haiko. So unapata sahi, instead of free time yangu kuenda kukaa na tags huko, my free time I go to the library, I read, I study. So I can say it has really helped me a lot to avoid. Yeah.
And now since that umeenda rehab, umefunza umekutake through, umeacha kutumia stuff, so najua hapo nje kuna watu wengi bado wanatumia hizo drugs. Unaweza waambia nini? Like unaweza wapea which advice about drugs, waache ama waendelee, ama inawasaidia ama inawatu immunes zao?
Okay, it's a good question. When kubush about rehab, my friend, when I was in rehab, I saw worst cases pale. The people who are in rehab because of many things, mostly addiction to alcohol and addiction to drugs. I found their professors, I found their policemen, I found their teachers, so many people. So it can get worse. So the only thing I can tell this youth out there is penye umefikia, don't make it worse. Don't make your life miserable because you have nothing to do. Find something to do, and if you have to, just drink a little, 1 glass of alcohol. Drink a little, but don't overdo the drugs because my friend, ukienda pale rehab, kuna watu niliona rehab, watu they are at the end, they cannot continue. People are on cocaine. I found some people who are on heroin, and funny enough, people are addicted to many things. So it is dangerous. It is very dangerous to be addicted. If you want to be addicted to mathematics, be addicted to books, be addicted to sports and games. Yeah, but don't be addicted to drugs. Mimi, I remember the first time nilivuta bangi. I remember it like it was yesterday. Nilikula chakula mingi, kaanza kucheka hapo. Sasa hii kucheka ikakuja siku ingine nikacheka sana, kasema huyu tumpeleke kwa hospitali ama tumpeleke kwa pasta. But kwa pasta haikusaidia. I ended up in rehab as I have told you. And in rehab, they force you to abstain. They lock you away from the drugs. So my youths, ukiona umelemewa, ask for help. You can go to rehab, but don't let it get worse. I also want to tell you that if you are struggling, no matter how you are struggling, you are not alone. Find some help. Find someone to talk to, and pole pole you will find yourself. If it was, you will not die. Ukiacha kuvuta bangi hautakufa. Na wale ambao hawavuti bangi ama wale ambao hawajapitia hii, I can just advise you. I can just advise you that if you've tried it once, okay, it's okay, but don't overdo. Don't be influenced by music and movies. And you see those people in music, they're doing drugs, they're drinking alcohol. That is not real life. That is just a show off. So don't be influenced by drugs. Yes.
Yes. So basically umesikia this video is about effects za drugs na how someone can overcome drugs. As my friend here have said, umesikia, at least usikue that idol sana, alafu mtu asikupressurize into drugs. Just be you. Tumia tu maziwa. Drugs actually will not take you anywhere. Najua kuna ile pia pressure unasema naona mtu fulani kwa movie akifanya hizi stuff. Sijui nikiamua kutumia hii pia nitakuwa kaa. So peer pressure isiwa limit hapa. Kama siku na pressure kufanya kitu, sijui jumeona mse fulani anafanya. So thank you for watching until the end. Make sure you subscribe, leave a positive comments, alafu share the video to your friends. Out.